Genesis 1, verse 1. In the beginning, in the beginning, yeah, in the
Listen properly.
in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, in the beginning, in the beginning.
If you pronounce French letters like English, I promise you'll be confused fast. So in the next minute, I'll be fixing that for you. Alright, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, everything is going to be different. They will not be the same. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So big beginner mistake, don't read French like English. So repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U, R. So if this helped you, subscribe. We're having much videos to do next and they'll be very helpful to you. So subscribe, like the video, share and enjoy yourself. Thank you very much.